Hey y'all, so this is the start of a new vlog obviously, and it's myannajhade and I'm back with another video for y'all. So today is today is February 4th and it's 12 o'clock. So I am craving like really bad some seafood, so I'm gonna just go to the seafood place and get some crab legs and call it a day. And it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna just pop it out like I know when y'all drink something y'all got gum, oh my gosh, it literally went like right through here, like whoa. Thank you. My mouth is still like freezing. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get my food. Okay, y'all, I got her. I just got crab legs because I don't do shrimp. You can't pay me to eat shrimp no more when I get one. Last time I ate it after work. Did I tell y'all that? Yeah, but I feel so big, my mouth get watery. And it wasn't too hot, which is what I needed. I didn't need it to be too hot, but it had spice still, so it was the medium. Hey vloggies, so I just woke up from a nap. Today is Thursday, February 6th, and it's 4:25. I came in from work at like 2:30. I got home and then I took a shower and took my nap at like 3 o'clock. But basically right now I'm about to get ready to go to my cousin's dinner. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready to go now to the restaurant. It is 5:56 and yeah, I just have on this little hoodie, these little pants, and these little shoes. And y'all, my skin looks great. We are at Armature Works because our reservations didn't get reserved the right way. But we are at Graves right now. Hey, what? We're at Graves right now, and then we just have this little drink, and then we got some good food coming. Hey y'all, so what's today? Well, hold on, I don't know what today is. I'll look for y'all, but it's Friday. Yeah, so I'm off. I'm always off on Fridays, but basically today was a weird day, I can't lie. But I'm about to go to this magic show with my cousins, and yeah, so I'm gonna just take y'all with me. I'm having a bad hair day. I'm really just having a bad day, so I just put some lip liner on, and it's kind of dark. This is a new lip liner, but it's kind of dark, but I don't really care. And my hair is just a mess, my room's a mess, life's a mess, but hey. Woo, that was a great show, guys. Yeah, Aid got put in. You were in the show.
And I pretended to be an 8-year-old.
Yes. That was so nice. 10 out of 10.
And you are grounded from using your Kindle.
Oh. What is
For months.
Hey y'all, so I'm back and today is Sunday, February 11th, and it's beach day today. Beach day. But I'm about to go with Sadie. She here. I'm just making this little intro really quick. But yeah, I'm gonna just see y'all at the beach. Okay, y'all, me and Sadie in a little igloo thingy. Such a slam. Just let me fix my hair really quick. Yes! Oh my goodness!
I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and
Can we play? You want to play with us? Yeah. Let's play.
giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know
It's literally just me and Sadie playing with this little old man.
It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and
Cause it's me too. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls on girls, girls on girls, where I'm from. Yeah, girls on girls. Hey, yeah, girls on girls, girls on girls.
Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to go. My food was good. I just had chicken tenders and fries. And I'm tired now, but OMG, hey y'all. So today is the day I'm posting this video. And I just want to tell y'all, today is Tuesday, February 20th, and it's 4:47 right now. But let me tell y'all, this is really a short video. I really didn't even plan to make this video this short, but it is what it is, and I'm about to go to Atlanta, so that's gonna be a whole nother vlog. But I did want to just post something for y'all because I just feel like I left y'all hanging, and I did. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next vlog.